Foodies, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to discuss about the health benefits and nutritional facts of makhana. Makhanas are also popularly known as foxnuts and also known as lotus seeds because makhanas made from lotus seeds only. So today I am going to discuss some health benefits and nutritional facts of makhana. Actually, Chinese uses it as a medicine. Foxnuts helps to strengthen the kidneys. Almonds, walnuts, cashews and other dry fruits pale in comparison to foxnuts when it comes to the nutritional values. Indian cuisine makes ample use of these. They can be had roasted with a sparkle of spices and condiments to provide a tasty treat. Take a look at some of the benefits and nutritional facts of makhana. First, we have to know about nutritional values of makhana. So, superfood makhanas are rich in protein and fiber and low in fat. 100 grams of makhana gives around 347 calories of energy. There are around 9.7 grams of proteins and 14.5 grams of fiber in makhana. Makhanas are a very good source of calcium. They also contain magnesium, potassium and phosphorus in good amount. Few vitamins in very less quality are also present in makhana. So let us know about some health benefits of makhana or foxnuts. Foxnuts have really high protein content. This is why they make such an important part of fasting foods, because a handful can provide you with energy to last the entire day. So most snacks are either deep fried or have a high amount of preservatives and additives. Having a bowl of foxnuts will fill you up and also keep the calories in check. Foxnuts make for great anti-aging food as they have an abundance of antioxidants. A handful every day can keep you looking younger and making your skin glowing. The catch is that they must not be consumed as a fried snack. So foxnuts are great snack food for diabetics and heart patients as they contain good fat and have a low quality of saturated fats. These properties makes makhana good health weight loss food. Foxnuts are high in fiber. The digestive process gets sorted with them as they prevent constipation and add bulk to the stool. So foxnuts are great detoxifying agents. They aid in flushing out toxins from the body. They are really beneficial to the spleen, which is like a graveyard for cells in the body. It recycles the red blood cells. The spleen is the nervous center of the immune system because it also stores white blood cells and the platelets. Having fertility issues, foxnuts will come to rescue you. Tortured and automatics, they help with premature injections, improves quality of semen and help women suffering from infertility. Foxnuts have a low glycemic index, which means that they release glucose slowly in the body. This keeps you feeling full for longer. Those are suffering from wheat allergies can gorge on foxnuts as they are gluten free but still high on protein and carbohydrates content. They are high on magnesium and potassium and low on sodium. This makes foxnuts an ideal snack for those watching their weight. The high potassium and low sodium is a great combination for patients suffering from hypertension. The potassium brings down the blood pressure and sodium tries to bring it up. So those who suffer from high blood pressure can snack off on foxnuts without fail. These are all the nutritional facts and health benefits of makhanas. In this video, I am also sharing with you a special recipe of makhana which is very easy to prepare. For this recipe, take a pan, put it on the stove Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. After that, add some makhanas in the ghee. Mix it well. Make sure the flame is in low only. Don't put it in a high flame. Roast it well for 5 minutes. After that, we have to add some salt. If you want to eat it with spicy, then add some red chili powder or pepper powder. I would like to eat with salt only, that's why I am adding salt. This is also very tasty. Roast it for another 5 minutes. Switch off the flame and let it be cool. Roasted makhanas are eaten directly, or you can take it with milk also. See how crunchy they are. If you like my video, please share it to your friends. If you are watching my videos on first time, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.